If I were you, I would be way more afraid of wasting my time on this earth and wasting my life than I would be being afraid of being embarrassed. Your fear of being perceived will literally stop you from getting all that you want out of this life. And, fun fact, you're being perceived no matter what you do. Even if you try to close yourself in, box yourself in, hide who you really are, they're still going to perceive you. Someone will already have a preconceived notion of who and what you are. What a waste it would be to hide yourself out of fear from the world. Be who you are. Share it with the world. See what happens. You might fuck around and change your entire life.